Today's video lecture is Evolution of Greater Hinduism. And before starting the video lecture, Namaste to all my brothers and sisters who are watching this video. And I hope that those individuals who have many misconceptions about Sanatan Dharma, a lot of their misconceptions will be cleared by this video of mine. In the coming time, I will be given deeper information about Sanatan Dharma. I will always try to respond with full logic to those who often speak against Hindu religion, even if I have to take any step to any extent for this. I hope that we can move forward towards being a mutual brother and this can last. But some religious people often speak negatively about other religions, which cannot be tolerated for long. I am lecturing about almost every religion in the world, and I hope that no one talks about any other religion with the misconceptions. If this happens, then from my side, I will be treated as a human being, and that religious sect will be answered with the full logic and references from their own religious texts. And it is possible that after that, the faith of the people who follow the religion may get hurt, which I do not want to all. Now, without wasting time, I hope from you that we establish mutual brotherhood and after today never abuse against each other's religious organizations and books, because such actions give rise to only one religion, which causes harm to humanity to a great extent, which is no more than foolishness in my eyes. Now, let me talk about our today's video lecture. What are the principal historical stages in the evolution of greater Hinduism? I will talk from the beginning. A stage known as the Vedic period began as early as 4000 before century. Some Indian scholars push the origin back as much as 3 or 4000 years before that. Archaeological evidence from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro point to a highly developed civilization in the Indus River Valley from around 2700 to 1500 before century. Early texts suggest a religious culture centered on worship of numerous deities associated with forces of nature. Around 2000 before century, there may have been a major population shift from the northwest of India to the Ganges plain as a result of the drying up of Saraswati River, once a prominent feature of the Indus Valley. The Vedic period comes to a close around the time of that shift. The period of the Upanishadic scriptures and the epic age of from 1500 to 500 before century witnessed dramatic changes and the evolution of major new forms of religious expression. During these centuries, the Upanishads developed the speculative approach now known generically as Vedanta, the culmination of the Vedas. For the next millennium or so, 500 before century to 500 century, sometimes referred to as the classical period. New post-Vedantic study texts called Sutras, Shastras, Agamas, and earliest Puranas formed the basis of the number of important schools of thought. From this period to come with written epic, the Ramayana and Mahabharata between around 500 to 1800 century, that's called medieval period, popular devotional theism based largely on mythic narrative text called the Puranas, spread across most of India. Beginning with the arrival of the British in the mid 18th century, the modern period extends into the mid 20th century. The declaration of India's independence and the partition that created East and West Pakistan as separate Muslim states. In this video lecture, you are currently being given basic information, and with time I will give you advanced level knowledge about any religion or organization. Through this, you will be able to know all the religions of this world from the simple initial words and to their depth, and our mutual differences or misunderstandings will end. Thank you very much for watching and listening to the entire video lecture. And I hope you will be share my video lectures and you will join our upcoming programs by subscribing to the channel. Namaskar.